Anyway, we got that one dropped off. I noticed this plate right here when I came in. I don't know who brought this car in, but whoever come up with this tag, that's supposed to say test drive, not test. They spelled the test wrong. Man, I tell you what, that right there, that's got to be the worst test drive tag I've ever seen, man. They spelled the test wrong. All you had to do was Google test and it would have told you how to spell it. You went to the length of printing a test drive piece of paper. It's spelled test wrong. Wow, man. Anyway, we're back on another property. I got a couple of cars. I'm looking at this building right here. There's two in one building. Fixing to walk over here and check the tags before I try to back up and hook them. One of them may be fixed, the other one may not. I don't want to spook anybody and lose the impound, so I'm gonna walk over there and check it. Walk over there and check the tags, and then I'll pull around and load them. That one's got a May tag on it. E-brake's up. I got to lock it out. This Sorrento right here, it's been stickered too. E-brake down. Yeah, it's got a May tag on it too. Anyway, that Sorrento's got a rear wheel drive. It's got a rear end, so I'm gonna have to hook it first, get it on the bed. Then I'll turn around and try to get that Scion. That one right there has been given an extension. Whoever owns that Nissan right there, that Sentra, they talked to the office. Office gave them extra time. But this Sorrento right here in the Scion, they ain't talked to anybody. Let's get it. Now I gotta lock it out. What's going on, man? Huh?
My fault to pick her Jeep up.
No, man, the office, the property management towing these.
The office management?
Yeah, you see it's got a sticker on it. Let me cut this thing down. The property tow these cars, man, if they sit very long.
Right.
See how long it's set? Oh, they tow them. Now, she has the opportunity to pay it out if she wants to.
How much is it?
It's $100 to pay it out.
Okay. If not, what do they do with it? Where is it?
It goes right here. I can give you the address if you need to.
Give me the information.
Yeah,
I'm gonna call her and let her know this is going on.
Okay. That's a pretty reasonable guy there. Very reasonable, calm guy. I gotta do a lockout on this. Let me get this one off the ground. Hello? Hey, how you doing? Let me walk right there. You there? Let me cut the speaker on right here. Okay, hello?
Yes, my friend said there's no in my car.
Well, they stickered them about 5 days ago. The property had they stickered all the cars.
Yeah, I was out of town.
He was out of town, yeah. They stickered them. If you, I hear that. Well, listen, if you have the opportunity to pay it out, if you want to pay it out, that's your right by law.
Can I pay it now?
You can pay it now. It's
I'll pay it myself. My mom only stays down the street. Can we?
Listen, if you pay it out in the property,
to where I can move it or something. Or
well, listen, if you pay it out and you talk to the office, more than likely they'll give you time to get it handled. You know what I'm saying? That's up to them.
I'm gonna go ahead and pay. So they want tow? That's $100.
It's the best bet. It save your money. Save the money from having to go get it.
Don't have to go get it.
And it's 175 if you go.
Yes, 175 have to go pick it up. Are you serious? Take it.
So she said, it don't run.
Yeah, it don't run. It's messed up.
Yeah, man. Sometimes it's too much money to put in it.
Yeah,
It's just a waste.
You got to put a whole new engine in it.
Yeah, that's not worth. I wouldn't pay it out, man. I mean,
Leave it alone.
that's what I would do.
Right.
If it's that bad. Hey, have a good one, sir. Thank you, man.
God bless.
Yep. Cannot see inside this tinted windows. What's going on? I've been better. Doing all right though.
I got a car I want to get rid of.
What you got?
It's Honda.
I'll tell you what, we really don't buy them. What kind of Honda? What?
Honda Civic. It ain't no.
Tell you what, I tell you who to call. For pull apart, hey, they'll come and get it.
Okay.
They come and get them. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Very difficult time getting this car unlocked. Without getting unlocked, I can't unlock that brake. Yeah. Hey, you wrench it. I can pull it. I can pull the number up for you if you want.
I ain't gonna mess with you. Driver.
You need a screwdriver?
I'm looking at shit right now.
Flat. I got one.
Okay.
I pull it off. Hey, don't go no. I got you. Yeah. Let me get his tag and I'll pull that up for you.
You about to get ready to pull out, sir?
Yeah, I'm finna pull out. Yeah, you need to get over here.
No, I'm
Hey, you see where he go? Oh, here he is. He give you the tag. Yeah, no problem. I'm finna pull out of the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull out your way.
Oh, okay, well, you know what? I can almost make that.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that.
Hey, if
Don't make you work hard. I can move. We done.
hey, to tell you what, if you can back up another couple of feet,
Yes,
you ain't. I can.
Just go out the way, all the way, complete.
That's fine. Hey, let me give him a phone. This other guy phone number, and I'll pull out. Thank you, man. Hey, thank you, sir. Give you a phone number. Hey, that phone number is where's that phone number? It's 770
Okay.
242 8844. And I know they buy them. They got a guy that drives around picking them up.
All right.
You got it. Thank you, sir.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one, sir. Have a blessed day. Anyway, I wanted to break that down. What happened with this Kia Sorento? That guy showed up and said that was his mother's Kia Sorento, and anyway, he stayed calm, and he didn't freak out. He just stayed real calm, and I told him, yeah, you call her if you want to see what she wants to do. I offered him to pay it out. I didn't know the car didn't run. Anyway, she told him the car don't run, it needs a motor, and don't worry about it. And she asked him to get her tag off the car, and they basically gave the car up because they're not going to fix it, and that's what they're doing, getting rid of the car. Anyway, I just wanted to explain what happened. Sometimes it's hard to get, it's very difficult to get everything on camera and still watch my back. I had a lot of people walking up on me. They were all friendly. All the people that walked up on me were very friendly, which is usually it's not the case. Anyway, I'm gonna roll to the yard. I got another one to come back and get over here, so we'll come back over here and grab another one. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. We're back at the lot. Brought these two in, backed in the other one up there. But our lot is slammed. We're slam packed. There's Eddie up there. He's trying to sort out the auction cars. But somebody mentioned why we always get poor people's cars. Well, this person that owned this Panamera, this Porsche right here, they wasn't no poor person. This was probably their old car. They bought a new one. Anyway, long story short, I got the video clip where I pulled this. Me and Eddie pulled this off a parking deck. I ought to put that in the clip. I'll run that clip of this one. It was at a high-end parking deck. Anyway, I'm gonna roll to my next call. Anyway, I think to drag this Porsche out right here. It's been sitting on this parking deck for a long time, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it. It was stickered to tow, and they pulled the sticker off the car. And it's got a March 20 tag. It's a high-end property, and the cars get towed off of high-end properties too. It ain't just low-end properties. They tow everywhere. It's got a ding on there. I'm glad we saw that. But they're gonna try to say we did that. Damage like that they always try to claim, make a claim when we didn't do it. Huh? I think you're pretty good.
I tried to get it over to this side.
You did good on that. Yeah, you got plenty of clearance, man. It ain't that low. It's actually a pretty car once you clean it. Tell Taylor, Taylor's gonna have to. Hey, Eddie.